Which para-athlete was awarded the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 2025? Correct option is D. Praveen Kumar. Which country ranked first in the Corruption Perceptions Index 2024, indicating it is the least corrupt? Correct option is B. Denmark. Which type of bond is formed between a metal and a nonmetal? Right option is B. Ionic bond. Which state or union territory had the highest number of wildlife sanctuaries in India? Correct option is C. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The intensity of sound mainly depends on which factor? Right option is C. Amplitude. In October, military exercise Osterhind 2025, which battalion of the Indian Army led the contingent? Right option is D. Gorkha Rifles. What is the SI unit of pressure? Correct option is A. Pascal. In 2025, a new extremely rare blood group antigen RRB was discovered in an Indian woman. From which state was she? Correct option is A. Karnataka. A student on the last bench sees notes at 25 centimeters clearly but struggles with the blackboard. What eye defect and lens correct this? Correct option is C. Myopia, concave lens. Which grandmaster is ranked number 1 in India's live blitz chess ratings as of early December 2025? Right option is D. Arjun Erigaisi. Which of the following metals can displace iron from ferrous sulfate solution? Correct option is B. Zinc. Under the recent MOU between Indian Railways and SBI, what is the enhanced insurance cover for accidental death for railway employees with SBI salary accounts? Right option is C. 1 crore rupees. Budding in Hydra is an example of which type of reproduction? Correct option is A. Asexual reproduction. Tooth decay begins when the pH of the mouth reaches which approximate threshold? Correct option is B. 5.5. Who recently became the world's youngest and fastest female paraswimmer to cross the English Channel? Correct option is B. GRI. When several resistors are connected in series combination in an electric circuit, which of the following remains the same across all resistors? Right option is A. Current. Which country became the 9th member of the New Development Bank? Right option is B. United Arab Emirates. In a vasectomy, which structure is cut or blocked? Correct option is C. Vas deferens. How many national centers of excellence for skilling is the central government of India planning to establish under the approved national scheme for ITI accreditation? Correct option is C. 5. Which of the following is not a part of cell organelles? Right option is D. Cytoplasm. A butterfly feeds on nectar from flowers and a squirrel eats grains. In this case, both are called what type of animals? Correct option is B. Herbivores. Which institute has stated that the danger related to ozone will increase further in the coming years? Correct option is A. IIT Kanpur. If the mass of an object is 5 kilograms, a force of 20 Newton acts on it for 4 seconds and the initial velocity is 0, then what will be the final velocity? Right option is C. 16 meters per second. If prefixes or suffixes are used in the naming of a carbon chain, what do they represent? Correct option is B. Functional group. The nature of the image formed by a concave mirror is? Correct option is C. Either real and inverted or virtual and erect. What is the characteristic shape of a mature human red blood cell? Correct option is D. Biconcave disc. What is the correct electrical symbol of a battery cell? Right option is B. One small and one large parallel line. Udaipur Lake and Gokul Reservoir were recently designated as Ramsar sites, are located in which Indian state? Correct option is B. Bihar. What is the rank of India in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Correct option is C. 102nd. Who has been appointed as the new president of BCCI? Right option is A. Mithun Manhas. Who has been awarded the 2025 Nobel Peace Prize? Correct option is D. Maria Corina. Where has the India-Russia joint military exercise Indra 2025 held recently? Correct option is C. Bikaner, Rajasthan. Which country will host the G20 Summit 2025? Right option is B. South Africa. Recently, when was World Mental Health Day observed? Correct option is C. On 10th October. Who recently won the men's singles title at the US Open 2025? Right option is A. Carlos Alcaraz. Which country has become the first in the world to eliminate mother-to-child transmission of HIV, hepatitis B and syphilis? Correct option is B. Maldives. Who has been appointed as the Securities and Exchange Board of India? Correct option is D. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. India's first overpass wildlife corridor has been built on which expressway? Correct option is B. Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. Where did the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas recently announce the first discovery of natural gas in India? Right option is C. Andaman Basin. The NISAR satellite mission is a collaborative project between which two space agencies? Right option is C. ISRO and NASA. Who has become the first woman fighter pilot of the Indian Navy? Correct option is D. Astha Punia. In the World Happiness Report 2025, what is India's rank among 147 countries? Correct option is A. 118th. Who is the author of the book Life on Mars Collected Stories? Correct option is B. Namita Gokhale. Which Indian NGO has become the first to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award 2025? Right option is A. Educate Girls. The 6th edition of exercise Dharma Guardian was conducted between India and which country? Correct option is C. Japan. Who has topped the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct option is D. Haryana. When was the 10th National Ayurveda Day celebrated recently? Right option is C. On 23rd September. Who has recently been appointed as the Director General of Railway Protection Force? Correct option is C. Sonali Mishra. Which state is home to India's first white tiger breeding center? Correct option is B. Madhya Pradesh. Narendra Modi attended the SCO Summit 2025 held in which country? Correct option is A. China. In which Indian state is the Satyendra Nath Bose Astronomical Observatory established? Right option is B. West Bengal. Which Indian state became the first to join the Cruise Bharat mission to boost cruise tourism? Right option is D. Gujarat.